What's the worst that can happen though? Either way. Not balance, sir. Ready? I got it. Don't need to move it.
So Chad and Dan worked here alone yesterday. They got everything up that you have seen to this point. We're getting ready to close in the gable ends. Josh is up there on the roof putting plywood on. There, I guess I'm ready. Done yakking. Hope this fits. Oh, it does. Back to me just a 8. Another 8. To me.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'll push then.
Oh, that's pretty close. Might say perfect. You want to get it from there, or do you need to move? Perfect. Again. Oh. I'll just set up out back while you're doing that. I'm good.
I'm good.
Two basically brand new fittings and they leak like a sieve.
Yeah.
Whoop. Right there, really?
With the other one, yeah.
Okay.
So, there.
That flush with the first piece.
All right, so roofing. This is our second day on the job, and we're getting the roofing done already. And we've got quite a bit of the other work done, siding started, all the accessories. The view over there is Canada. We're in Vermont. It's interesting, the little village down there. A lot of the streets go right into Canada, but they have barways across, so you can't actually cross. They're locked shut. It's just pretty cool. One side's Vermont, the other side's Canada, So houses are like here and here. One's Canada, one's U.S., Vermont. So we're putting the roofing on. Josh is. I'm going downstairs, down below. So we're putting putting up F channel underneath the eaves, the gable end for soffit. We put the F channel up first and then bring the corner up to that. So the corner, we've already cut an angle on that. If you can see that, like that. So it'll match the house or the garage. And when we're putting the corner on, we make sure that this plane lines up and this one lines up. Ooh, all right, day 3 on this job. We can't get on the roof yet. It's currently about 30 degrees. Can't see our breath, but there's frost on the roof, so we've got to wait for that to melt off. The sun directly behind the camera is coming up. It's going to be a beautiful day. It's supposed to get into the 50s. We'll wait on the roof. We'll start doing the vinyl siding, get all of that done. It's going to be a nice workshop for them. Can't wait till it's done so they can move in. All right, here we go. These J blocks are really handy. So when we're putting the siding on, we always allow a little bit more to allow for the snap ring. This just snaps over it after you have the siding on. So let's see. I usually come down below. I leave about a 1/4 inch play on each side. Because if you get that siding too tight, the snap ring doesn't go back all the way. Great, so that'll fit over really nice. Then we'll run the other one up over the door. These nails you don't nail tight, you leave room for them, for the panel to slide left or right. And you just snug the panel up like that. This lock-in place has, it's a little bit loose. So you snug it up just so it doesn't wander and doesn't unhook. Let's go do the other side. I already cut this one out. Using electric shears to cut the vinyl siding. Probably can't see it in the shade. I cut out for the J block. And now let's see. It's a little awkward, one person, but I bet I can do it, maybe. I always check, make sure that there's movement, so then you know it's snapped in. All right, we are done. 16 by 20 ranch style. This is going to be a workshop for them actually, so that they can move all their stuff out of their existing garage and have room to do things that they do. Vinyl siding, metal roofing, 1 9x7 door, 2 windows, and a man door. Comes to around $18,000. Includes the concrete, everything finished on the outside. Let's take a look around. It's got a pretty view out back. Very nice. Here you can see all done, vinyl soffits, metal fascia. Let's run inside. Or walk inside. Knock, knock. Hey, here I am. Oh. It doesn't take long to look at this, but man, it is so sweet. It's just a nice little workshop area to do crafts or whatever they might do. And if you wanted to, you could park a car in here. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this small workshop video. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Leave a comment. Hit the like button. Tap the bell. Watch it again. Thanks.